Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we will understand another loop control statement, that is continue. The continue statement is used inside loops. When a continue statement is encountered inside a loop, control jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration and then skipping the execution of statements inside the body of loop for the current iteration. It will skip some iteration and then it will begin with the next iteration. So here is the flow chart. If the condition follows, then it goes to the continue. Then here it will skip some iteration and then it is start after this continue statement body of loop. Now here is the syntax. Whatever thing you are written in a for loop, if you use continue over here, it will skip that iteration and it will go to the next one. We will better understand a continue statement by using a program by skipping some iterations and going to the next one. So for that, let's open code blocks. Now here we will start with an empty file. So go to file, new, empty file, and here first of all write down a header file #include stdio.h, standard input output header file. So here you have to provide this bracket. A header file always have an extension of .h. Now we will start with the integer main. And inside integer main, first of all, we will write for loop as per the syntax. So inside for, as you all know the syntax of for, first of all we have to define variable. So I'll go for a let's go for int j equals to 0 colon, then we will say j is less than or equal to 8, or let's take 10, again semicolon, and j++, that is variable updation. For understanding for loop, we have a separate video there. Inside for loop, we will provide one if loop for a continuous statement. So if j equal to 4, if I write the condition like that for if, and inside I have written the continuous statement, so I'll go with one more bracket. Here I'll write down continue like this with a semicolon. So this way I have written continue with if loop. You can try the continue statement with each different loop also. So again after that I'll print the value of j. So I'll use printf %d. Printf is a function used to print anything on the output screen, and %d is nothing for the integer j. It's a placeholder. So don't forget to put a semicolon here, and after that at the last you have to put return 0, as every main function requires a return value. Now here we have written one program with a for loop to printing 0 to 10 numbers, but at j equal to 4 we have written continue. So what happened in this program? Let's see. By saving it, we'll run it and then we will explain. So go for a save file as. You can give any name of your choice by using .c extension. Click on save. So after saving this, we will build this. So if build finish with 0 errors, let's run it. Okay, so you can see here from 0 to 10 the values are being printed, but there is no 4 being printed. Value 4 is missing in the output. Why? Because the value of j becomes 4, then the program jumps to the if loop here. If the value of j becomes 4, the program will jump to the if loop, and then the program encounter to the continue statement, which makes the control jump to the beginning of for loop again for the next iteration. So it will skip the 4 and it will go for a next iteration. That's why here it is the program's output, like it is printing 0, 1, 2, 3, skipping 4 and continuing for the next one, that is from the 5. So this way the continue statement loop control is being executed. I hope you understood this program. Thank you.